Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about DMing men first. Okay, so I've noticed this trend where women are messaging men sexually. They are shooting their shots, so to speak. And I really want you guys to stop doing this. I want you guys to stop messaging the men first. Okay? Everybody is on social media, right? Everybody, and if they're not on social media, they're out in the wild, whatever. If you're out in the wild, you're at a bar or a party, do not approach the men first. Let the man approach you, okay? When you approach the man first, you are taking away from his masculinity. You are becoming the more masculine in the situation, right? You want to rest in your femininity and allow him to approach you. You are the prize. All of this sounds very cliche, and I know right now the men are punching the air, but no, don't do it. On Instagram, I don't want to see you sliding in anybody's DMs talking about, oh, do this to me, or oh, we would be so cute together, or oh, I have a crush on you, or da 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 da. And I'm telling you all of this from experience. Now, back in my younger days, right, in my single days, I shot my shot at one, two, there's two I can think of, right? And the two shots that I shot were a complete, like, why did I waste my time and do this? Why did I even bother? It was so, and not to say that, your story might not be different. Your story might be, you might be the greatest shooter of shots in the world, but you want him to always be the one to approach you. Okay? When a man likes a woman, when I'm in, you're going to know. You won't have to question it. You won't have to wonder. You won't have to worry. You won't have to figure it out. It's going to be clear as day, plain and simple. Men are not complicated. Okay? Men are not sitting there and plotting on how they're going to convince you to do anything, or they're not wondering, oh, I wonder what she's thinking, whatever the case is. You know what? Let me not say that. Let me not speak for the men. Let me stop doing that. Let me not. Okay? Let me not. But men are pretty much, for the most part, very, very simple and very straightforward. If they like you, you're going to know that they like you. If you like a man, right, the only way that I would say shoot your shot is to make yourself more visible, make yourself more known in front of him. If you see him on Instagram, for example, and you like him, first thing you do is follow him. He's going to get either a notification, or when he logs into his Instagram app, he's going to see that someone followed him, right? Now, unless he's super popular and gets a bunch of follows in a day, he's not going to notice that you in particular followed him, unless your profile pictures like stand out. Okay, so let's start there. Now, if a few hours has passed and he has not followed you back, or he's posted and hasn't, noticed that you followed him or whatever, then you can start liking pictures or responding to his stories that he's posted, either with a laughing emoji or whatever, and he will eventually see your profile and decide whether or not to pursue you. If nothing after that happens, leave it alone. I know that sounds crazy, but leave it alone. Stop messaging these men thirstily. Stop it. I am begging of you. Here's the thing. See, the same way we have group chats, men have group chats as well. And they sit and they talk with their little friends. Oh my gosh, yeah, she's this and she's that, da 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 da. Don't be that girl in the group chat. Don't be that girl, okay? We don't want that for ourselves. let him come to you. Let him chase you. Let him pursue you. Rest in your femininity, because we do not chase, we attract. Okay? It's that simple. It is that simple. The men who are for you will find you. They will come to you. All you have to do is make yourself more, I don't want to use the word attractive, but continue to do what you do for you, and the person for you will find you. And I'm not, you know what, even if you're an introvert and you like to stay home, be more active on social media so that he can see you and find you and approach you in that way, if you're not the going out type of person. And I don't know, I feel like in this day and age, going out is like so risky in a sense. I mean, everything is risky. Everything is risky. But to sit there with the intentions of, oh yes, I have to find a man, I need a man, I'm going to get this man, this man, this man, this man, it's kind of counterproductive. I would say rest in your femininity. Okay? Take care of yourself. Make sure that your hair is kept up, your nails kept up. My nails are not done right now, but they, they look halfway decent. Make sure that your skincare is on par. Make sure that if you wear makeup, your makeup game is on par. Make sure that whatever you're wearing is well put together. Make sure that you are exuding confidence. Make sure that you are well spoken, you are well versed. Make sure that you are putting in to you, pouring into you, so that when it's time to pour into him, you are filled. You are not looking for someone to complete you because you're already completed. You're looking for a companion. And that's what you're going to attract, a companion, not someone who is halfway there and wants to do the bare minimum with you. Okay? Okay. But I said all of that to say, stop being thirsty with these men. If he likes you, you'll know he likes you. He will let it be known that he likes you. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll answer as soon as possible. Bye.